Welcome to Nuer Online YouTube channels. I want to share with you the message that I received from YouTube. So here's what we have. They say your channel is no longer monetized. Learn how to reapply. So they demonetized my YouTube channel, like I said on my first videos. So this is what I have. They said, "Hi Nuer Online. During recent review, our teams of policy specialists carefully look over the video you have uploaded to your channel, Nuer Online. We found that a significant portion of your channel is not in line with our YouTube partners' program policies. As of today, your channel is not eligible to monetize, and you will not have access to monetization tools and features. Please go to your monetization page to read more about the specific policy our specialists flagged." We know this is top news, and sometimes we have to make a difficult decision. We have a responsibility to ensure our community is safe for creators. So this is what they have done. So if I take you to my channel right here, let me take you to my channel, and you go to monetization status right here, this one, monetization. So let me put it here. We are going to see what they have done to my channel. So that is the decision that they have taken, that they remove the monetization from my channels. So they say that I have violated policy, which I accept because I know nothing about this. So what I understand is that I do not have any copyright on the video that I have, and significant numbers of videos. They might be right, like I upload shorts videos. If those are the one that is spoiling my YouTube, so I will make sure that I remove them, and then I will try to reapply after 30 days. So this is what I'm gonna do. So that is the message that they send me. So that's it. You can see all this information. So they are trying to tell me everything, what the policy that I violate. So guys, this is what happened to my channel. So you can see it. They sent it on September 26, 2022. Okay, and today is 29, so it is after 3 days. So it been quite a good number of a stressful moment for me, but now it's okay. I have to wait patiently for 30 days to apply it again. So thank you for watching, and I do not want you to go through the same thing that I go. So if you have any shorts which you thought might be wrong, which you did not done yourself, please try to remove it and do what is yours. Thank you.